Welcome to From Feast to Famine, where we explore the fascinating history of human eating habits, the alarming rise in weight gain, and the urgent need for a radical change in our diets. I'm Jean Cook, and today we'll dive deep into how our eating patterns have evolved over the centuries and the impact this has had on our health. Let's start by taking a journey back to the 1800s. During this time, most people consumed fresh, locally grown foods. Meals were simple, home-cooked, and nutrient-dense. The average weight of men was around 130 to 140 pounds, and women weighed about 100 to 110 pounds. Fast forward to the early 1900s, and we see a slight increase in weight as food availability improved and diets became more varied. By the year 2000, the landscape of our diets had changed dramatically. The rise of processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food chains significantly increased average weight. Men weighed 190 to 200 pounds, and women 160 to 170 pounds. This trend has continued into 2024, with average weights reaching 200 to 210 pounds for men and 170 to 180 pounds for women. So, what happened? How did we go from balanced, nutritious diets to the calorie-dense, nutrient-poor diets we see today? The answer lies in increased caloric intake, the shift to processed foods, and a more sedentary lifestyle. These changes have led to a rise in obesity and diet-related diseases, contributing to approximately 20% of deaths worldwide. The statistics are alarming. Poor diets are linked to around 11 million deaths annually. This isn't just about numbers, it's about the quality of life and the health of future generations. If we continue on this path, projections suggest that by 2050, the average weight of men could be 220 to 230 pounds, and women could weigh 190 to 200 pounds. By 2099, these numbers could rise even further. So, what can we do? The urgency for a radical change is clear. We need a comprehensive approach that includes education, policy changes, improved access to healthy foods, and a cultural shift toward valuing nutrition and health. It's time to rethink our eating habits and make choices that support our well-being and the health of our planet. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history of eating habits and the urgent need for change. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes. Let's work together to create a healthier future. Until next time, stay healthy and mindful.